Good morning, children. Let's continue exercise 4.2. So the first question is, which one of the following options is true and why? A equation is given, that is y is equals to thrice x plus 5. So this is a linear equation in two variable, and we need to choose the correct option, that is it will have a unique solution, only two solution, and infinitely many solution. So in the last class we have already discussed that the linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. So for these questions the correct option will be option 3, that is infinitely many solutions. And the reason is given that since for each value of x we will get another value of y, and this process will continue to infinity. So for each value, if we put any value of x, we will get another value of y, and this process will continue, it will not end. So hence we will get infinitely many solutions. Now the second question is to write 4 solutions for each of the following equations. So let us do question number 2, Roman number 1. We need to find 4 solutions for this equation, that is twice x plus y is equals to 7. So if we take twice x to the other side, it becomes like this. So y equals 7 minus twice x. So if x is equals to 0, if we put x is equals to 0, it becomes 0. So therefore y is equals to 7. If x is equals to 1, then it becomes 7 minus 2, that is y is equals to 5. If x is equals to 2, then it is 2 2s are 4, so 7 minus 4, y equals to 3. Similarly, if x is equals to 3, y is equals to 1, x is equals to 4, y is equals to minus 1, and it continues dot dot dot, it continues like this. So hence, just since we need to find only 4 solutions, so therefore we can write like this: when x is equals to 0, y is equals to 7, therefore 0 comma 7. When x is equals to 1, y is equals to 5, therefore 1 comma 5. When x is equals to 2, y is equals to 3, so therefore 2 comma 3. And when x is equals to 3, y is equals to 1, therefore 3 comma 1. So these are the solutions. So let's move to the Roman number 2. That is, it is given that pi x plus y is equals to 9. So if we move pi x to the other side, it becomes y is equals to 9 minus pi x. So if x is equals to 0, then y is equals to 9, this becomes 0. If we put x is equals to 0, this becomes 0, therefore y is equals to 9. If x is equals to 1, so this will become 1, so 1 into pi, that is pi, so therefore 9 minus pi. So if x is equals to 2, this becomes twice pi, 9 minus twice pi, so y is equals to 9 minus twice pi. If x is equals to minus 1, if we put x is equals to minus 1, so minus minus it becomes plus, so therefore 9 plus pi. So therefore, hence the 4 solutions are 0 when x is equals to 0, y is equals to 9. When x is equals to 1, y is equals to 9 minus pi. When x is equals to 2, y is equals to 9 minus twice pi. When x is equals to minus 1, y is equals to 9 plus pi. So let's move to the third question. It is given that check which of the following are the solutions of the equations x minus twice y is equals to 4 and which are not. So we need to check whether these are the solutions, these given questions are the solutions of this equation, that is x minus twice y is equals to 4. So let us take the equation, that is x minus twice y is equals to 4. So we can rewrite like this. So x is equals to 4 plus twice y goes to the other side, it becomes plus. So for the first question, it is given, we need to check whether 0 comma 2 is a solution of these equations. So if we put, since here 2 is given, so if we put, since 2 is given, so if we put y is equals to 2, this is the value of y and this is the value of x. If we put y is equals to 2 in this equation, it becomes 4 plus 2 into 2, that is 4, 4 plus 4, 8. So therefore the value of x becomes 8. So therefore the solution is 8 comma 2, but it is given 0 comma 2. So hence 0 comma 2 is not a solution of the equation. Similarly for question number 2, it is given 2 comma 0. So that means if we put the value of y as 0, let's see what will be the value of x then. So in the given equation, if we put value of y as 0, it becomes like this: 4 plus 2 into 0, it is 0, therefore 4 plus 0 is equals to 4. So that is the value of x becomes 4. So therefore the solution is 4 comma 0. That means when we put 0, we get 4. So hence 2 comma 0 is not a solution of the equations. We got 4 comma 0, but in the question it is given 2 comma 0, therefore 2 comma 0 is not a solution of the equation. Similarly, let's do Roman number 4. It is given root 2 comma 4 root 2. If y, we put the value as 4 root 2, then x is equals to 4 plus, since it is 2 into y, so therefore 2 into 4 root 2, it becomes 8 root 2. So 4 plus 8 root 2. So therefore the value of x is 4 plus 8 root 2. So therefore the solution is 4 plus 8 root 2 comma 4 root 2. That means when we put 4 root 2, we get 4 plus 8 root 2. So this is the solutions. But in the question it is given that root 2 comma 4 root 2. So therefore we can see, since it is different, so hence root 2 comma 4 root 2. So hence root 2 comma 4 root 2 is not a solution of the equation. So therefore this is not a solution of the equation. Similarly, you can do number 2 and Roman number 2 and Roman number Roman number 3 and Roman number 5. So let's move to the last question. This is question number 4. Find the value of k if x is equals to 2, y is equals to 1 is the solution of the equation twice x plus thrice y is equals to k. So given x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 1 is a solution of this equation. So since this is a solution, so therefore this value of x and y satisfies this equation. So if we put 2 in place of x and 1 in place of y, let's see what happens. So 2x plus thrice y equals k. It becomes like this: 2 into 2, the value of x is 2, plus 3 into 1, the value of y is 1, is equals to k. That means 2 into 2, 4, plus 3 into 1, 3. So 4 plus 3 is equals to k. So therefore k is equals to 4 plus 3, that is 7. So this is the value of k. In this manner we can obtain the value of k. So that's all for today. The remaining we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.